Hello students, once again I am here with the new chapter determinants for class 12 science mathematics. This one is the first video of this chapter determinants. If you like this video, then please like and share my YouTube channel Dr. Shyamsundar Agrawal. So let us discuss about determinants. Determinants in any n cross n numbers arranged in a square form along horizontal rows and vertical columns having n elements in each row and column and closed between two vertical bars is called as determinant of order n. Just like matrix, a square matrix where having n number of elements, n number of rows, but they are enclosed between closed brackets, but here they are enclosed between vertical bars. So, how to find out the order of or determinant of order 1? Let D is equals to determinant of A, that is equals to A. Example, determinant of minus 5 is equals to the same element minus 5. Similarly, you can say determinant of 8 equals to equals to 8. So, in order 1, the determinant of the element is equals to the element itself, but determinant of order 2 having 4 elements A11, 12, 21, 22 is equals to A11 into A22 minus A21 into A12, this cross multiplication. Product of A11 into A22, this is the main diagonal elements minus the other diagonal elements A12 into A21. So, simple example, the determinant of 4, 3, 2, 5 is equals to 4 into 5 minus 2 into 3. So, 4 into 5 is 20 minus 2 into 3 is 6. So, 20 minus 6 is 14. Is it clear? Next, how to find out the determinant of order 3? Determinant of order 3 having 9 elements, 3 elements in each row and column. So, elements are A11, 12, 13, 21, 22, 23, 31, 32, 33. So, this is equals to A11, the first element of first row into the determinant of, after deleting the first row and first column, the determinant of the rest element, that is A22, A23, A32, A33 minus A12. A12 lies on first row and second column. So, after deleting that element, the determinant of the rest element is A21, A23, A31 and A33 plus A13. A13 lies on the first row and third column. So, by deleting all the elements of first row and third column, the rest elements, determinant of that is A21, A22, A23, A31, A32. Next, as per our previous arguments, we know how to find out the determinants of order 2. So, easily we can find out the determinant of order 3. Let us take an example. What is the determinant of 2, 3, 4, 8 minus 2, 7, 4, 3, 1? So, this is equals to 2 into 2 lies on first row, first column. So, after deleting that, the determinant of the rest is minus 2, 7, 3, 1 minus 3 into 3 lies on first row and second column. So, after deleting that element, the remaining elements are 8, 7, 4, 1. So, determinant of that plus 4 into determinant of 4 lies on first row and third column. So, After deleting the first row and third column, the remaining elements are 8 minus 2, 4, 3. So, determinant of 8 minus 2, 4, 3. That is same as 2 into, now each one is a determinant of order 2 now. So, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, minus 3 into 7 is 21. Minus 3 into 8 into 1 is 8, minus 4 into 7 is 28, plus 4 into 8 into 3 is 24, minus 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. So, minus of minus is plus 8, that is equals to minus 69 plus 60 plus 128 is equals to 190. So, what is the determinant of triangular matrix? The determinant of a triangular matrix is same as product of their diagonal elements. We have already familiar with what is a triangular matrix. A triangular matrix is either upper triangular matrix or lower triangular matrix, where all the elements above the main diagonal elements are zeros, or all the elements below the main diagonal elements are zeros. Here all the elements above the main diagonal elements are zeros. So, this is also a triangular matrix, and this is called as lower triangular matrix. So, as per the definition of determinant of triangular matrix, determinant of this is the product of their main diagonal elements. So, this is equals to minus 3 into 4 into 5. So, that is equals to 6. Next question, let us expand the determinant A11, A12, A21, A22 in all 4 possible ways and show that the 4 results are same. All the 4 possible way means we have to expand this determinant with respect to the first row, with respect to the second row, with respect to the first column, with respect to the second column. So, according to the first row, determinant is equals to A11 into A22 minus A12 into A21, as we know. Now, according to second row means A21 lies on second row and first column. So, minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So, it is minus A21 into A12 plus A11 into A22. See here how to put plus sign and minus sign. A21 lies on second row first column. So, minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So, it is first term is minus A21 into A12, then A22 is lies on second row second column. So, minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 is 4, that is minus 1 to the power 4 is plus 1. So, it is plus A21 into A11. So, it is also same as A11 into A22 minus A12 into A21. Similarly, according to the first column, A11 into A22 minus A21 into A12. Here plus sign for A11, because minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 is minus 1 to the power 2 is 1, and here minus sign for A21. So, minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 is minus 3. So, A to the power minus 1 to the power 3 is minus 1, that is why it is minus symbol. So, A11 into A22 minus A21 into A12, which is same as A11 into A22 minus A12 into A21. Similarly, according to second column, first element is A12. So, minus sign according to A12, that is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2. Then plus sign A22, according to A22 it is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 is minus 1 to the power 4 is plus 1. So, it is minus A12 into A21 plus A22 into A11, which is same as A11 into A22 minus A12 into A21. Now, from equation 1, 2, 3 and 4, determinant of A11, A12, A21, A22 is same as A11 into A22 minus A12 into A21, whether it may be expanded according to first row, second row, or first column or second column. Similarly, let us expand 130264 minus 102 in all possible ways, means according to first row, according to second row, according to third row, according to first column, according to second column, according to third column. According to first row, 130264 minus 102, first column is A11, A12, A13. According to A11, sign is plus. According to A12 is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 is minus, and last one is plus sign A13. So, 1 into determinant of the rest element after deleting first row and first column, that is 6402. So, 1 into determinant of 6402 minus 3 into 3 lies on first row second column. So, after deleting first row and second column, the rest elements are 2, 4, minus 1, 2 plus 0 into something is equals to 0. Now, that is equals to 1 into 6 into 2 is 12 minus 0 into 4 is 0 minus 3 into 2 into 2 is 4 minus 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. So, minus of minus is plus 4. So, which is same as 12 minus 3 into 8 24 is equals to minus 12. According to second row, 130264 minus 102. According to second row, first element is A22, sorry, A21, then A22, A23. According to A21, here you have to give minus sign, then plus sign, then minus sign. So, it is minus 2 into determinant of 3002 plus 6 into determinant of 10 minus 12 minus 4 into 13 minus 10, which is minus 2 into 6 is minus 12 plus 6 into 2 is 12 minus 4 into 3 is minus 12. By cancelling, it will give you minus 12 again. Similarly, according to third row, minus 1, 0 and 2. Third row means A31, A32, A33. 31 means minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1 is 4. So, first one is plus sign, then minus, then plus. Plus sign into minus 1 into determinant of the rest element after deleting the third row and first column is 3064. So, minus 1 into 3064 minus 0 into something is 0 plus 2 into after deleting the third row and third column, determinant of rest element is 1326. So, it is minus 1 into 3 4 are 12 minus 6 into 0 minus 0 plus 2 into 6 minus 6. So, it is equals to minus 12 minus 0 plus 0 is equals to minus 12. Similarly, according to first column, 1 2 minus 1. So, 1 into determinant lies on determinant of the rest element after deleting first row and first column is 3064 minus the second element 2 into determinant of the rest element after deleting second row and first column is 3002 minus 1 into the determinant of the rest element after deleting the third row and first column is 3064. So, it is 1 into 6 2 is 12 minus 4 into 0 is 0 minus 2 into 6 2 into 3 is 6 0 into 0 is 0 minus 1 into 3 4 is 12 minus 6 into 0 is 0. That is 12 minus 12 minus 12 which equals to minus 12. Similarly, according to second column 360, second column is A12, A22, A32, A13, A12, A12 means minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 is minus 1. So, first one is negative, then positive, then negative. So, minus of 3 into after deleting the first row and third column, the elements are minus 2, 4, minus 1, 2 plus 6 into determinant of after deleting the second row, second column 1, 0, minus 1, 2 minus 0 into something, no need to write that. So, it is minus 3 into 4 plus 4 plus 6 into 2 plus 0 which is equals to minus 3 into 8 is minus 24 plus 6 into 2 is 12 which is equals to minus 12. Similarly, according to third column 130264 minus 102, its determinant is 0 into something, 4 into something and 2 into something, and their sign according to, because 0 lies on A13 means first row third column. So, its sign is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3 is positive, next one is negative, next one is positive. So, 0 into something minus 4 into determinant after deleting the second row and third column. So, 1 3 minus 1 0 plus 2 into determinant of after deleting third row and third column 1 3 2 6. So, it is 0 minus 4 into 0 plus 3 plus 2 into 6 minus 6. So, 0 minus 12 plus 0 is equals to minus 12. So, according to first row, second row, third row, according to first column, second column and third column, in all the cases determinant of that is equals to minus 12. Let us find out 3.8, 0.6, minus 1.4, 9.3 determinant of this. So, determinant of this is 3.8 into 9.3, minus of minus is plus 1.4 into 0.6, which is equals to 35.34 plus 0.84 is equals to 36.18. Similarly, let us find out determinant of cos n theta, sin n theta minus sin n theta, cos n theta. So, its determinant is equals to cos n theta into cos n theta is cos square n theta minus of minus sin n theta into sin n theta is plus sin square n theta, and we know cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So, cos square n theta plus sin square n theta equals to also 1. So, determinant of this is 1. Let us find out the determinant of 104, 624, 102 and 612. So, determinant of this is 104 into 612 minus 102 into 624, or after multiplication it is 63648 minus 63648 which is equals to 0. Let us find out the determinant of 205, 16, 81, 0, minus 13, 2, 0, 0, 16. From the question itself, this matrix is this determinant is upper triangular determinants. So, this is a triangular determinants, and we know the determinant of triangular matrix is product of their diagonal elements. So, that is equals to 205 into minus 13 into 16 which is equals to minus 42640. So, it is a very simple one. Thanks a lot for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Dr. Shyam Sundar Agrawal, and have a watch for the next video. Thanks a lot.